Si Louie is back. So, hi guys, it's me, Luigi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for this video, we'll be having a reaction video for the Alpha Drive 1 ng KCON Japan. Yeah, KCON Japan 2026. And yes, guys, please ignore my face because nagbe-breakouts ako. So, guys, I'm so excited because mag-upload na naman ako ng YouTube vlogs. You know, so, kapag wala akong ginagawa, reaction. Pero pag lalabas ako, mag-vlog din ako ng about myself. Gusto nyo ba? You want to watch my life, my routine, my travel, so I will be doing that. So before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated on my every upload. So my bias is here, Sangwon. So let's go. I am so excited to watch it, guys. Guys, oh my god, see? The face card never declined. Oh my god, diba? Ang ganda ng tingnan. Wait lang. Diba? Like, face card never declined. Here we go. Oh my god! Let's go! Let's go! Sangwon! Oh my god. Sangwon, Leleo, Anshin. Yan siya! You know, may picture kami ni Jun sa'yo sa Life for Cats. Sa Life for Cats, yung mga photo booth. Yung ganun. So nakatago siya. Bago siya, ay nung ano pa yun, B2P, nung Boys Planet. Nagpicture ako. I miss you so much. It's just nuts. By the way, guys, comment down below who's your bias. Beautiful. Leo. I am a Leo 1. Oh my god, guys. Erno. Grabe ang mga vocal ba? Baka nagtataka kayo kung bakit hindi sa ang kit-kit ni Ansin. Oh my god. Oh my god. Siya na lang. Si Ansin na lang ang itatam. So guys, oh my god. So that's it for video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and notification. So nag-watch together lang tayo kasi nga gusto ko siyang i-rewatch kako yesterday. So this is the video. Bye bye. Love you all.